Okay. So I am going to create a P file
Yeah,
at the same location where we have created the
control file.
control file, and copy that P file at init orcl dot ora. Okay,
For
from
yeah,
sp file. Okay,
SP file.
yeah.
Yes.
Now we are good to like now we have this P file and control file, and what we will do.
Exit one.
Okay, go to the cd/u01 location.
App.
Go to the app. ls, and here we will go to the RML backup. Okay,
Okay.
one LBR. So here we will make what we will do. We will rm-rf star. We will delete all the backups whatever we have taken here.
Yeah.
Sorry,
RF.
rm-rf. Okay, so we have deleted all the backup. Now we will create a directory like backup for standby. Okay,
Okay.
so we have
Backup
created
for
the
standby.
backup.
For
So
standby.
go to the here, and we can check here. So what we will do, we will take a full backup for standby setup. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So I'm going to connect to the RMN target slash. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, and now it's connected. What we will do, run. Okay, backup database format. Sorry, format single quote. You need to give this path here,
Okay.
full underscore %u. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
and backup
Backup. RK log.
archive log all
Format.
to the format all format arc
Underscore. Percent.
underscore %u. Okay,
Yeah.
enter.
Backup
Backup,
control file. Control file.
no, here we need to take
Current
the
control.
backup current
Control file.
control file for standby.
For standby. Okay.
Yeah, for standby.
Okay.
Format single quote. You need to give that, and control dot
CTL.
ctl. You can give any name. Either you can give the %u also here.
Ah, yes.
Okay, and sorry, what we made
This one not closed. Ampersand not closed. Bracket not closed, I think.
no. Here we forgot to give the file.
Ah,
fi. We need to give the fi.
okay.
Yeah, so that's why it's given the here. We need to give the control file, but I have given the f
Okay.
and
Okay.
e only.
FLE. FLE. Right.
Yeah. What I will do, will
Control.
run. Then we
Bracket.
need to this. Then we need to give. this, and then we need to fi, and we will give the same. Okay, and here also we
Yeah.
have given the wrong. Here we have given the single quote twice.
All right. Yes.
Now, sorry. Press enter, close. Now we are good to run.
Yeah.
Now here it's taking the backup of your what I can
Database.
say, the database. Okay. So from the secondary, what I will do, from here we need to copy the control file and what I can say, the P file from the server. Okay.
Okay.
So SCP. So here we will give Oracle @ the first machine name, and I think this is the
This is standby now.
this is the standby server. So I think this is the
105 now.
yeah, 106.
Yeah.
Here we need to give the, because I'm going
Destination.
to copy the file from primary to standby. Currently on
Standby.
standby terminal, the backup is going on. Okay.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think
Right.
it's completed, so no issue. We'll disconnect it from here, and here we can see ls-ltr backup has been taken. So what I will do, we'll go to that location and we'll cd / u01
PPP.
okay.
Yeah.
Here we have that only. So what I will do, I will create mkdir backup only. Okay.
Yeah.
ls-ltr. Here we can see the backup file has been created. Go to the backup folder. Here we can need to go to the primary and copy the files from here to standby. Sorry. Here we can give the host name also. So I am giving the standby and sorry, file. Okay. Here we need to give the
Oracle pass.
now file is copied. So let's wait for a minute. In a minute it will be completed. So
yeah,
and then after backup, once backup copy will be done, then after we will start copying the P file and the one we had created. So just wait for a minute. Yeah. So it's copied now. Now we go to the /u01 help location. Here we can see we have created the control file and
P file.
init.omrcl. Okay. So what we will do, scp init.ora Oracle @
Standby.
standby. Okay, semicolon $Oracle _home /dbs. Okay.
Yeah.
password is
Oracle.
Oracle. Okay, it's copied. Now again we need to copy the password file from here. So how to copy the password file? $, because the password file will be available at Oracle home, right?
Yes, be right.
On primary dbs/orapw orc. Okay.
Yeah.
And we'll copy that password file to that location. ORC. Oh, sorry, we have given the, no, we have given the, like before that, by mistakenly taken the slash, so that's why it's the problem. Now the password file has been copied, okay?
Yeah. Yes.
And then we need to copy the control file. So before that, grep control_star from here. So we need to check the control file location on primary. So here we have the primary location, control file location. So also we will keep the control file on secondary because we have the same structure, right? So we
Yes,
will copy the control file from here to these two locations on
okay.
secondary, okay? So what we will do, scp control01.ctl oracle@standby
And
semicolon, and we'll give the file name, okay? The
yeah.
first one. So it will copy the first one on that location, it's copied. Now go to the second, and here we need to give the second location because the path is available on secondary also. The same path is available on the secondary, so it will be copied on that location only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's copied. Now everything is done from primary. Okay.
Yes,
So minimize the primary. Now go to the
standby.
standby server. Here we need to check. Here we have copied the control all the backups. Okay. And go to the cd $oracle_home/dbs. Here we can see we have copied all the like password file init.orcl means like the parameter file. Okay. So and also we can check the control file location. So here we need to check grep control_from init.org. Okay. So if you run here, we have two locations. If we just execute this path, okay, if we do the ls-ltr for that location, so we'll see. Here we have the control file one, okay.
Yeah, right.
And if we do the list for second, so here we have the control file 0, okay.
Yeah, right.
So control file is in place, whatever we have the path in the init.org here. So we have the a dump location, okay. We
Yes.
have the same means like no need to change the control file path here because we have the same structure for control file. So both the control file is available on both locations. Okay.
Yes.
We
Yes.
have the database name as a DB name as a ORCL.
ORCL.
Okay. We have the same FRA. We have the like everything. Now fail client. Here we need to change fail client. Here we need to change the here we
Standby.
need to give standby.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because we are going to configure it for standby. Okay. And here for fail server, we need to give the prod. No
Okay.
need to change here because here we are giving the DB unique name only. So no need to change anything here.
Yes.
Okay. Here also we have the same path, I think. So we'll check this archive log location. If available, if created, then fine. If not, then we will create a new path. Okay. We will create archive log. Here we need to give in -2, we need to give the prod entry. Okay.
Okay, prod.
Because we are on standby server. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
in log archive -2, we will configure it for the local database, mean for the standby database. And in log
Okay.
archive -2, we will configure it for secondary data, means your primary database.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
And here what we will give the ORCL one. Okay.
Okay. But DB unique name
So
is your instance name, right? DB unique name means.
no, we will change the DB unique name here.
Okay.
Let me check where the DB unique name is available or not. I think I'm not able to see the DB unique name here, right?
All right.
Yeah, so what we will do, we will press the enter and give the DB unique name equal to, we need to give the DGORCL. Okay. Okay. So DB unique name will be DGORCL now.
Yes, bye.
Okay. So now it looks good. So we'll save this P file. Okay. Yeah. And now already we have the P file, password file and everything. So what we will do, we run the .ora env. Firstly, as I said, we need to check the, just give me a minute. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
So here we have the
Yes,
like
bye.
init.orcl and orcl password here. Okay, so what we will do, before that, we need to check, as I said, need to check the log archive -1. Uh, whatever the like archive log destination we have given for primary. So we have the directory here or not. Okay, so log archive -1. Sorry, given the wrong. So here you can see we have created, we need to check this directory, if directory is available or not. So as I remembered, we don't have that directory. So, okay, I think we have the directory. Okay. Yeah, here we can see we have the directory archive log. Okay.
Yes,
So
bye.
then no need to worry. So let's connect to the ORCL database, standby database here. Okay. So ORCL is available. Sorry. ORCL, Oracle home would be dollar Oracle underscore home. Just a second, echo, where we are currently. Just run echo dollar Oracle underscore home. Okay. Right. Or base underscore profile. So I think we have Oracle home. Okay. Yeah, we have the Oracle home, then why it's not reading? Not bash underscore profile, and we give the Oracle underscore home. Yeah, now we got the Oracle home here. Okay, so what we will do, we'll run dot aura env orcl. Just a second. Dot right dot bash underscore profile. It's fine now. So we can connect to the SQL plus slash SQL. Hmm. We set this, okay, and then to set SQL plus hyphen v. Oh, sorry. Actually, we have started now, so that's why it's not giving. So we need to run the base, okay?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
now if you run the Oracle home or Oracle, if we say the
Base.
base or if we see the SID, so it take automatically. We need to run the BIOS. Actually, when we started the server now, after that I did not give in the BIOS, so that's why it's giving
Yeah.
the problem. Now if you run SQL plus hyphen v, so mm, there is something why it's not reading. But just a second. Dot aura env aura env. Yeah, fine. We'll do one thing. We need to give the ORCL.
Set since this is
Need to give the Oracle home. Okay, now it will work. Now SQL plus hyphen v. Yeah, now it's working. So what we will do, we will connect to the SQL plus slash SQL. Okay.
Yeah.
We connected. What we will do before that at Oracle home, as you can see, cd dollar Oracle underscore home. Sorry, no need to give the cd. We need to give the ls hyphen ltr dollar Oracle underscore home dvs. So here you can see here only password file and init.orcl file is available. There is no SP file. What we will do? We will create a SP file from P
P
file.
file.
So whatever the P file is available with that instance ID, it will read that P file and it will create a SP file using this P file. Here also you can see here there is second file is available by name init.ora1.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just a default file. But for the database server, whatever the instance is running on the servers, it will read that file only init.orcl.ora. So it will create a SP file from P file. Now, if you
Yeah.
run this command again, then it will give you the SP file also. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have created the SP file. Not what now what you will do is start up the secondary database on no mount state, because already we have created the SP file. Okay.
Yes.
So your DB will be on no mount state. Then after what we will do, exist from here. Okay.
Yeah.
And go to the I need to check once the backup location ls-ltr slash either go to that location /cd /u01
App.
app.
Backup.
So here we have the backup. Okay.
Yes.
So what we will do, ls-ltr backup. So here we have the control file. So what we will do, connect to the RMA target slash.
Yeah.
And what we will do, we will restore the control file from the backup. Okay.
Okay.
Control file backup, which we have taken from the primary. So
Yeah.
what we will do, restore standby control file from, and we need to give the path here. So what is the path? cd/u01
Backup.
/backup and give the control file backup name here.
Yeah.
Backup is name.
Yeah.
Okay. Enter.
Yes.
Now you can see we have restored successfully both the control file. Okay.
Yes.
Now
Right.
we will alter the database. Alter database mount.
Mount.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's mounted. Okay. Now
Yeah.
what we will do, we will just catalog this part once.
Okay.
Catalog, because we are letting the RMN know if the backup PC is available on that location. Okay.
Yes. Right.
Because
Yeah.
RMN don't know about that location. So we are
Right.
letting the RMN know this is the backup, or this is the part where our backup is available.
Yeah.
Catalog start with this. So here we can see it's able to read all those files. If not able to read all those files, then what we will do, we will just rename the directory name, either give the 01, 02 or something, and then again catalog it. Okay.
Okay.
So it's able to read. Now
Yes.
what we will do, restore database.
Okay. So database.
Okay.
Yeah.
Restore database. So it will restore whatever the files, data files, or whatever the files will be available.
Yeah.
It will be restored from the primary.
Okay.
And also in the next session, I will tell you using the duplicate command, how to create. Okay. So here
Okay.
our database is successfully restored. Now what I will do, I will run the
Recovery.
database. Okay. So yeah, it's finished. So exit
Yes.
from here. Okay. Connect to the SQL plus /sysdb.
CCTV.
here if you check, select name, open mode, database role from v
We
dollar
don't database.
database. So here if you see ORCL mounted and database role is
Yeah,
physical
mount
standby.
physics standby. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is your primary database. Okay.
Got it.
So just a second. Okay. So this is your primary database. Let's connect to the primary also.
Yeah.
So if this is your primary, this is your secondary. Let's run on secondary, select process common status from v dollar manage
And
underscore standby. So it will give you the processes like
okay.
MRP, RFS. So here as we can see,
Yeah.
only ARC and DGRD is running. There is no RFS running. There is no MRP running,
Yes.
right?
Right. Right.
So what we will do here, as we can see, archive log list. So it's a 41 current.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Now here we need to check, select what I can say, select max
Sequence.
sequence hash. Okay. From b dollar archived underscore log where applied equal to yes. Okay.
Okay.
So here we can see it's showing the 40. Okay.
Yes. Right.
And if here we need to run alter system
Switch log file.
switch log file. Now
Yeah.
again we need to run the archive log list. Here it's a 45. And
Yes.
here if we check, it's showing 40 only. And
Yeah.
here if we check, so ARC. So what we will do, we need to run recover manage
Manage.
standby database, no delay, disconnect from session.
Session.
Okay.
Okay.
So what we are doing, we are starting the MRP process on second.
Okay.
Now it's running. So
Okay.
it's completed. Now let's check the MRP. Here we can see the MRP is
Yeah.
waiting for guide.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's see the current apply. Here, as you can see, it's still not applying the like not
Current
receiving. If you go to the archive log location, okay,
Okay.
ls-ltr. So here you can see it just received the 40 only, but it's not showing the next one 41,
Yeah. Right.
42, 43, 44.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it means there is something happening where like it's facing some issue. So due to that, it's not able to receive the archive log. So using the where we can see let's sorry. So let's search immediate ones. Okay.
Okay.
And startup mount. and again we will run this. So here there is something I pen is not able to read. Just a second. So yeah, I understand. If here you will run like this command, na? Yeah, I will show you something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we did not added the standby redo log file here. So that's why
Okay.
it's showing the problem. Okay. So let me show you something here. So physically, it will show you. If we talk about physically, so it will show you. Yeah, like logically. So it's showing like if file is available, right? But if we
Yes.
run the ls-ltr and the path, here you can see there is no redo log file
Redo log
or
file.
standby redo log file is available.
Yeah.
Okay, so in that
Yes.
scenario, what you need to do, you need to drop the file because it will directly not allow you to, what I can say, it will not directly allow you to create the file because logically it's available, but physically it's not available, right?
Yes. Yes.
So in that scenario, what you will do, you will drop the redo log file, okay, and then recreate it,
Okay.
okay, then
Oh,
it will get resolved.
okay.
So what we will do, we'll stop the session for today only.